to all of you. Myself, Dr. N. Padole, Assistant Professor and Head of Department of Physics at H. Chandra Paina Mahavidyalaya, ASTI, affiliated to Gondwana University, Gadchiroli. So, my dear student, today we are going to see the topic of physics, particularly quantum mechanics. Okay, so we will see the basic concept of quantum mechanics, how quantum mechanics is developed, why it is necessary. So, before the development of quantum mechanics, there is a classical mechanics, because all the phenomena that are happening in our surrounding are totally explained by considering the Newton's law of motion. So it includes basically three laws: Newton's first law, second law and third law. So these classical mechanics describe the motions of macroscopic bodies. Macroscopic means that are visible by our naked eyes. Large size of body, bulk size of body. So all type of motions of bulk body, that is the macroscopic body, are totally explained by classical mechanics before the development of quantum mechanics. So, but what happens if you want to describe the motion of smallest particle that we cannot see by our naked eyes? Then there is a question mark. How to describe the motion? How to calculate the energy of that particle, potential of particle? So that is the big question, and hence there is a development of quantum mechanics. So quantum mechanics basically it is one of the branch of physics which deals with the motion of microscopic particle. Microscopic means that we cannot see by our naked eyes. If you want to see the particle, microscopic particle, then we need a microscope, and hence the name microscopy. Okay. So for example, very small dust particle, nanoparticles, etc. For example, electron, the motion of electrons in an atom, motion of another elementary particles, alpha particles, beta particles, then gamma particles also. So all these, the concept include are described by the quantum mechanics. So in 1901, Professor Max Planck put a new hypothesis to describe the motion of microscopic particle, and that is called Max Planck's quantum hypothesis. Okay. So according to the Professor Max Planck, what happens? The black body radiation chamber does not fill only with radiation but also simple harmonic oscillators, and that oscillators oscillates about their mean position, by which exchange of energy take place between black body to surrounding or surrounding to black body. So this concept was put up by Professor Max Planck in 1901. According to the Professor Max Planck, what happens? The energy of oscillator is directly proportional to its frequency. That is, we can write the equation E directly proportional to nu. Nu is the frequency of oscillator, and hence we can write E is equal to some constant. It is known as Planck's constant as into nu. So this is the equation. This equation was developed by Professor Max Planck about the energy of microscopic particle, energy of photon, E is equal to h mu. This is the first postulates of
Okay.